Finn runs through the mushroom forest with excitement. Gentle fireflies twinkle around his stripy green hat today. He loves watching the fireflies dance before bedtime always. Suddenly loud thunder booms in the clear sky. Finn's mud boots splash in the unexpected puddles quickly. Raindrops fall on his freckles like tiny cold kisses. Finn feels worried about his flooded firefly friends. Dirty water rises around the mushroom homes rapidly. He wants to save them all from the big flood. Finn tries to lift a big heavy mushroom alone. He trips and falls into the cold muddy water quickly. Sticky mud covers his stripy green hat now. Whisper arrives with a warm gentle smile slowly. She shows Finn how to lift small rocks together easily. Finn understands with a happy sparkling heart now. Finn saves his firefly friends with big happy smiles. Warm sunshine sparkles on the clean mushroom homes again. Finn dances with joy in the glowing forest freely. The moral of the story is, don't bite off more than you can chew.